Yes, I hope everyone can see the screen. Message me, Auric De Silva, that account you all should message on. Okay, fine. We'll continue. Last time we had started with SERDS, if you'll remember, 2.3. Let me just come to the exercise. Yes. We had done question number 1 and 2 last time. So today we'll start with question number 4. Okay. Question number 4 says, simplify the following SERDs. So we are on question 3. Sorry. We're on question 4. And we're looking at the first sum. That is square root of 27. Can you all message me what is the order in this? What is the order? Yes, so you'll remember the order. Very good. Basically, if there is nothing written in this area, this part, then that is 2, which is square root. Now, if order is 2, no, if anything inside the root repeats 2 times, you can remove it out because the order is 2. Now see, 27, if I go to factorize it, this is what you should do separately. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So 27 can be broken into these 3 parts, 3 into 3 into 3. That is what I can do in the next step. Square root of, inside I'm going to write 3 into 3 into 3. Now if you remember, as you all said, the order is 2. Vivan wants my remote control. Then I think I should do not ask for such requests, otherwise I'll have to remove you. I'm getting a few messages that you all can only see black screen. Is that what is happening? Because I can see the screen clearly. Okay, just message me yes if everyone can see the screen. And Vandan Solanki, I suggest you leave once and come back. Okay, majority people are saying yes. So if someone cannot see, quickly leave and join back the session. Okay. Yes, we were discussing ki, if I want to remove anything from here, since the order is 2, it should repeat 2 times. And if I check over here, 3 is repeating 3 times, but obviously I can even say it is repeating 2 times in this part. So if anything is repeating 2 times, I can take that number out. 3 is repeating 2 times, so I can write 3 out only once. Okay. Acha, can you all tell me what will remain now inside the root sign? What will remain inside the root sign? Yes, 3 will remain inside. Because this pair went out and you wrote it once, and this will be your answer. This is a simplified survey because we have made the root sign as small as possible. Okay. So now if you all have understood, let me take your help for the next sum. Raise your hand if you want to answer. I want to see a lot of people raise their hand because we have discussed in the session, we want maximum participation. Otherwise, your marks will not improve. Okay. Okay, fine. Yes, I can see quite a few people have raised their hand. Let me try Yashvi from Vikroli. Hello, Yashvi.
Hello, sir.
You will help me with the session, with this sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes. we'll be doing now question number 4, sum number 4. Okay, I'll just erase this. Do you feel this is better than the paper pen thing? This is more clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the question is square root of 112. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so first we'll factorize and you tell me what to put. Now, what to write here?
2.
2. 2, how much of 112? First start with 11. 2, how much are 11?
2 5s are 10.
So if 2 5s are 10, that means 1 will carry forward.
Yes, sir.
So what to write?
6. 56. 5
to 56. Let's continue. After that, what to put?
2.
2. Then what to do for 5?
28.
28. 2s are 4. 1 gets carried forward. 8s are 16. Then
2 14.
2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Then
2
2. And here
9s are.
7s are. Correct?
Yes.
Then last.
7 1s are.
Okay. So tell me now, inside, what will I write inside of the root?
2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7.
Acha, now here tell me, is anything. Acha, what is the order first?
2.
तो कितनी बार रिपीट होगा तो बाहर निकाल सकते हैं?
2 बार.
तो यहाँ पे कुछ 2 बार रिपीट हो रहा है?
Yes, sir.
What?
2.
This 2 is repeating. Anything else?
Third and fourth 2 also.
This also is repeating twice.
Yes.
So tell me, outside कितनी बार मैं 2 लिखूं?
2 times.
एक ये पैर आएगा तो एक बार 2 लिखेंगे. एक ये आएगा तो उसके लिए भी एक और 2 लिखेंगे. तो रूट के अंदर क्या बचेगा?
7.
What is the final answer?
4 root 7.
Easy?
Yes, sir.
You knew this from before या आज ही सीखा?
तो पहले से पता था.
पता था, स्कूल में हो गया?
हाँ.
Okay, thank you. Fine. I'll do one more sum of this type, and then we'll move on. Okay, let's try Palak from Parla.
Yes, sir.
Palak, we'll do one sum. Let's try sum number 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whichever sums we are leaving, you all will have to do it as homework. So make sure
Yes,
that
sir.
part is done. Okay, question 4. We are on the second sum that we are taking square root of 50. So first let's factorize it. Yes. What to write here?
5,
5.
10,
How much? 10. Then
1,
1.
5,
5. How much? Hello, Palak.
sir.
5. How much?
Excuse me.
Yeah, 2, right? 2. And last?
2 1s are 2.
Okay. So what to write inside root sign?
5 into 5 into 2.
Okay. What will I take? Acha, what is the order?
Sir, we have to take,
No. What is the order?
we have to remove, if there are 2 digits in the root, we have to take one of them out.
But you've not answered. What is the order?
So I don't know.
Order you don't know. What is written here is order, no?
Okay, sir.
Last
sorry.
time we did this question. So what is written here?
5.
If nothing is written in this place, जो देखो जहाँ पे मैंने arrow डाला है, कुछ नहीं लिखा तो क्या हो? कौन सा नंबर होता होगा?
0.
No. ये कौन सा root है? Is it cube root, square root, fourth root? Which root?
सर नहीं पता.
सिर्फ ऐसे अगर ये लिखा है, ऐसा लिखा है, तो ये क्या है? स्क्वायर रूट, क्यूब रूट, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? You don't know that the number 3 is called cube root, no?
Yes, sir.
If I've written here 4, so this is called fourth root.
Fourth root.
और जब कुछ नहीं लिखा है, that is square root, मतलब उधर 2 होता है.
Okay, sir.
तो ये 2 है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे जो 2 बार आ रहा है बाहर जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
तो बाहर क्या जाएगा?
5.
5. अंदर क्या बचेगा?
2.
तो फाइनल आंसर क्या है?
Fifth root of 2.
फिफ्थ नहीं, यहाँ पे थोड़ी है. यहाँ पे होता तो फिफ्थ रूट बोलते थे. ये 5 रूट है.
5 root of 2.
समझा? फिफ्थ रूट ऐसा दिखेगा, ऐसा फिफ्थ रूट ऑफ 2.
Okay, sir.
और 5 बाहर रहेगा. ये देखो, इसके अंदर नहीं है ना. डिफरेंस समझा?
Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Palak.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, next we'll now move on to the third question, which says classify the given pair of surds into like surds and unlike surds. Now let me explain to you what do you mean by like and unlike surds. See, if you have root 5 and 2 root 5. देखो, when I'm saying it is root 5, no, actually यहाँ पे 1 है. 1 into root 5 is root 5, no? जब कुछ नहीं लिखा मतलब 1 है. इधर नंबर लिखा तो 2 है. ये अब भी मैंने पलक को भी समझा, ये ऑर्डर नहीं है. ऑर्डर इधर आता था, ये पार्ट. अच्छा, यहाँ पे दोनों इसमें अगर मैं देखता हूँ, नंबर सेम नहीं है. 1 and 2 इज नॉट सेम, बट ये जो सर्ड वाला पार्ट है ना, ये सेम है. So whenever you see the surds being same, we call them as like surds. Whereas अगर सेम तरीके से मैं ऐसा लिखता था 3 root 3 and 5 root 2, यहाँ पे do you notice these two नंबर सेम रहे डिफरेंट रहे उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, but these two are not same. The surds are not same. And if the surds are not same, they are unlike surds. So I hope this is very clear now कि कौन सा surd होगा, कौन सा unlike surd होगा. ओके, एक बार आप लोग ने आइडेंटिफाई करना सीख लिया, आपका एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. सो लेट्स पिक Saket from Vikroli. Hello, Saket.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, you have to help me with the third question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the third question, we have root 52 and 5 root 13. ये third question का ना first sum है.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
ऐसे देखने जाएंगे तो can I say the surds are same or not? Are they same? ऐसे ही अगर देख के बोलेंगे तो क्या ये दोनों 52 और 13 रूट सेम है क्या?
नहीं.
नहीं है. तो बहुत जन सोच सकते हैं अनलाइक सर्ड्स है, बट ऑलवेज बिफोर कंपेयरिंग सिंप्लीफाई इट. जैसे देखो 13 को मैं फैक्टराइज नहीं कर सकता हूँ, 13 प्राइम नंबर है, बट 52 को कैन यू फैक्टराइज?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, टेल मी व्हाट विल इट बी बिकम?
2
how much are 5?
2 2s are 4.
And 1 carry forward?
6.
Then
Again 2.
2. How much are 2?
1 and 3. 13.
Okay, इसको करें, आगे कर सकते हैं?
नहीं. 13.
वैसे 13 into 1 ही आएगा.
हाँ.
So tell me for root 52, रूट के अंदर क्या लिख रहे हैं हम लोग?
2 into 2 into 13.
अच्छा, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर?
2.
तो कितनी बार आएगा कोई तो हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं.
2 को निकाल सकते हैं क्योंकि वो 2 बार आया है.
हाँ, ऑर्डर 2 है तो 2 बार वालों को निकाल सकते हैं. तो ये जब बाहर जाएगा क्या आएगा बाहर?
2 root 13.
तो अब अगर मैं दोनों को लिखता हूँ 2 root 13 एंड 5 root 13, अब मुझे बताओ क्या ये लाइक सर्ड्स है या अनलाइक सर्ड्स है?
लाइक सर्च है.
समझ गए आपको?
हाँ.
अच्छा, थैंक्स सकेत.
Thank you, sir.
Now I'll do one more sum. Hello, Keenan.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yes, we'll be doing sum number 3. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 1 second. Can you, do you prefer this screen, or do you prefer the pen and
No, sir,
paper?
this one only. This one I like.
Okay. Question 3, it says 4 root 18 and 7 root 2.
Yes.
Okay. If you just look at it now, are they like surds or not?
Sir, I won't be able to identify it now.
No, now most people will say it's not.
Now it is
but,
unlike.
but what we can do is we should always try and
Yes.
factorize the big numbers. Yes.
Yes.
So tell me what happens.
2 9s are 18.
2 9s are 18.
3 3s are 9.
3 3s are 9.
And 3 1s are 3.
Okay. So if I want to write 4 root 18 is equal to, I'll write 4 as 4 only, but inside what will I write?
3 into 3 into 2.
Okay. Now what is the order here?
2.
2. So that means what? How many times should it repeat for me to take it out?
Once.
It should repeat once.
No, I mean 3 and 3 are twice. So when you remove it out, it will come once.
Basically, if anything is coming 2 times, I can take it out.
Yes.
So 4 into what is coming out?
3.
3. And what is remaining inside?
2.
2. Okay. Multiply these two.
12.
12 root 2. So now
Yes.
instead of 4 root 18, if I write 12 root 2, and this was 7 root 2, are they like surds or not?
They are like surds.
Okay. See, there are total 6 sums. Can you do the remaining?
So,
If I
yes,
give
sir.
as homework,
Yes,
that's
sir.
okay, no? Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay, thank you, Keenan.
Yes, welcome, sir.
Yes. In that case, I think we can move on to the 5th question now. Okay, where we'll be comparing the surds. Okay, I suggest before comparing, let us try simplifying. What is easier? Multiplying. Okay, fine. For this, let me pick Man. Okay, let's pick Ananya. Hello, Ananya.
Hello, sir.
Hi, yes. We are going to try and do the 6th question now. Simplify. Okay.
Sir.
Have you done this in school?
Yes, sir.
So you know this already.
Yeah.
Okay. So now what happens here is, when they say simplify and they give us sum like this, first I'll teach and then I'll take your help for the next one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. Now remember one thing, whenever we are adding or subtracting surds, no, the surds should be same. They should be like surds. For example, Ananya, help me here. Are these like surds or they are not? Hello, Ananya. Ananya, can you speak up? What has happened? In that case, let's take Sai. Hello, Sai Savan. Hello. Hello, Sai. Can you speak up?
Yes, sir.
Huh. We were discussing. Tell me, is this root 3? Are they like surds or unlike surds?
Yes, sir. They are like surds.
Okay. And the rule says only if they are like surds you can add them. So, but the thing is, ये root 3 add okay, root 6 मत लिखना, ये root 3 रहेगा. Surd will never change, but we can add the numbers. What is 5 plus 8? Sai?
13.
13. So this is the answer. Samjha?
13, sir.
Correct. So what is the final? Tell me the full answer,
Yes, sir.
final answer.
13 root 3.
Tell me the... correct. So that means one thing has become
13
very
root
clear.
3.
Correct. One thing has become clear, that we can only add when the surds are like surds. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now help me with the next question. We'll take the second one. 9 root 5
Hmm.
minus 4 root 5 and plus root 125. Acha, tell me first, Sai, are these two like surds or not?
They are like surds.
So can we add or subtract them?
We can subtract them.
हाँ, मतलब अगर प्लस होता तो ऐड करके माइनस होता तो सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं because they are like surds. So tell me what will be the subtraction of these two? What is 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5?
5.
हाँ, पूरा बताओ.
5.
हाँ, 5.
अच्छा. 5
अरे but
root 5.
हाँ, that is the answer. When I ask you what is 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5, your answer should be 5 root 5. समझा इधर तक?
Yes, sir.
Plus root 125. Now देखो इन दोनों को भी ऐड करना है, so they should be like surds. अभी तक तो नहीं है, but check कर सकते हैं ना like है या नहीं है.
Yes, we can substitute them.
What should we factorize? 5 or 125?
125.
Okay, let's factorize it. 5, how much are?
5 twos are
5 twos are 10. 2 carry forward.
5 fives are
5 5s are 25. अच्छा, next. वापस कौन सा
5
number?
fives are 25.
5 5s are 25 and
5 ones are 5.
5 1s are 5. Okay. That means ये तो 5 root 5 है, प्लस है, इधर रूट के अंदर क्या आएगा?
5 into 5 into 5.
Okay. अच्छा, इसका ऑर्डर क्या है?
2 square.
तो हम स्क्वायर रूट 2 बार, तो कुछ भी 2 बार आएगा तो उसको बाहर निकाल सकते हैं.
हाँ,
तो यहाँ पे कुछ
5
2
we
बार आ
can
रहा है.
remove and 5 will remain inside.
हाँ, this 5 का pair will come out and 1
5
5
root 5.
5 root 5. Now tell me what is the addition of these two, because now they have become like surds.
10 root 5.
Perfect. बहुत जन गलती से 10 root 10 बोलते हैं, but you should remember we should only add the number. 5 plus 5 10 है, like surds वैसे ही रहेगा, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. तो 10 root 5 is perfect. Okay, thank you, Sai.
Yes, sir. Welcome.
Okay, let's move on. I think I can see one more sum. Sixth one. Sixth का fourth वाला is a fraction sum, which I will not teach now. Once you are comfortable with addition, subtraction, उसके बाद I'll teach you. Okay. Yes. Moving on. Let me use Tanvi. Wait. Tanvi from DN Nagar. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes. You will have to help me with the question 6th ka third sum. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do you have the textbook in front of you?
Yes, sir, I have the textbook.
Yes. Can you dictate it? I'll write it again. Question 6, third sum.
Yes.
Okay, dictate it.
7 root 48
7 root 48.
minus root 27 square root 27
Correct.
minus root 3.
Okay. अगर ऐसे देखेंगे तो एक भी सर्ड्स लाइक सर्ड नहीं है. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
तो ऐसा करते हैं, सबको फैक्टराइज करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले किसको फैक्टराइज करें?
27.
अच्छा, चलो 27. इसका हाफ भी किया था.
3 nines are 27.
Okay, then
3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3.
Okay, perfect. तो ये तैयार है. अच्छा, 48 भी कर दो.
Yes. 2 24.
24. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Then 2
12.
12. Then 2.
6.
Then 2.
2 3.
3 and 3
3, 1.
डन.
Yes.
तो अब अगर मैं इक्वल टू लिखूं तो ये 7 रूट के अंदर क्या क्या आएगा?
7. 2
48
into
के जगह पे, हाँ, 2
2
into,
into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3.
ओके परफेक्ट. फिर माइनस
Minus
27 के लिए
3 into 3 into 3.
एंड माइनस रूट 3.
Root
ठीक
3.
है. अच्छा यहाँ पे देखो किस किस का पेयर्स बन रहा है.
So 2 into 2, 1 pair and 2 into 2, second pair. Yes,
Okay.
2 pairs.
ओके तो बाहर आएगा तो क्या लिखूं?
7 into 2 into 2.
ओके रूट के अंदर क्या बचेगा?
3.
परफेक्ट. माइनस इधर
Minus.
कौन सा पेयर?
3 into 3.
ओके बाहर क्या लिखूं?
3.
3. अंदर क्या बचेगा?
3.
ओके माइनस रूट 3.
Root 3.
करेक्ट.
Yes.
अच्छा इसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखो क्या आता है.
28.
So I'll write 28 root
Root
3
3.
minus
3 root 3
and minus root 3.
minus root 3.
अच्छा इनका सब्ट्रैक्शन बताओ. व्हाट इज 28 root 3 minus 3 root 3?
25.
वेरी गुड. 25 root 3
Root 3.
minus root 3 बच गया. अच्छा इधर कुछ भी नंबर नहीं है तो इधर कौन सा नंबर होता है?
2.
नहीं नहीं वो तो ऑर्डर के लिए. यहाँ पे बाहर ये एरिया में कोई भी नंबर नहीं है. मतलब बेसिकली रूट 3 कितनी बार आ रहा है इधर? यहाँ पे कितनी बार रूट 3 आ रहा है? जैसे यहाँ पे है ना रूट 3 25 टाइम्स है, इसलिए मैंने 25 रूट 3 लिखा है. इधर देखो ना, काउंट करो. इधर ये सर्कल में रूट 3 कितनी बार है?
So 1 time.
हाँ तो जब कुछ नहीं लिखा रहता है ना बाहर, आपका ये करेक्ट था. अगर आप बोल रहे थे रूट 3 इधर कुछ नहीं है तो इधर 2 आएगा बिकॉज इट स्क्वायर रूट 3.
Yes.
बट मैं ये एरिया का बात कर रहा था. ये एरिया में कितना आएगा? तो यू
One.
शुड चेक. ओके रूट 3 एक ही बार है तो इट विल बी 1 रूट 3. ठीक है. तो अब मुझे बताओ व्हाट इज 25 रूट 3 minus 1 रूट 3?
24 root 3.
करेक्ट. परफेक्ट. You understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Thank you, Tanvi.
Welcome, sir.
Fine. I hope everyone has understood this. Okay. In that case, I think we can aim for the 5th question now. Okay. Yes. Next, we'll be comparing. So let me explain to you how to compare certs. Then I'll pick someone. We are discussing the 5th question. Okay. So this is 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. Now, if I ask you to compare मतलब देखो दोनों में से एक either बड़ा रहेगा, maybe ये बड़ा है और ये छोटा है. So I will write it like this: 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. I hope everyone knows this. This symbol means this part is greater. ठीक है. और we can, अगर हम मेरे को पता चला कि 5 root 3 बड़ा है, तो 7 root 2 is smaller than, basically 5 root 3 greater है. तो ये सिंबल का मतलब ये पार्ट बड़ा है. करेक्ट. क्या ऐसा भी हो सकता है दोनों सेम ही है, दोनों का वैल्यू एंड में सॉल्व करके सेम आ रहा है? तो ये तीनों में से कोई एक आंसर रहेगा. आइदर 7 root 2 बड़ा है, 5 root 3 बड़ा है, या दोनों सेम है, इक्वल है. अभी वो पता कैसे करेंगे which one is the correct one? For that what we can do is, अभी तक you would have seen कि जब भी ऐसे अपने को आता था 2 into 2 into 3, फिर हम लोग एक पेयर को बाहर लेके जाते थे and we would write it as 2 root 3. अब इसका उल्टा करेंगे. Now if there is a number outside 2, I will take it inside. और अब डिफरेंस क्या रहेगा? जब कोई भी चीज अंदर जाएगा वो तो 2 बार रिपीट होने वाला है. Like if I show you here, to compare them, ये बाहर और अंदर वाला नंबर नहीं रखते, सबको अंदर लेके जाते. तो what I will do is I'll write root, I will take 7 inside. But 7 जब अंदर जाएगा, the whole point here is 7 दो बार आएगा. 7 will come 2 times. 7 into 7. And this 2 was already there. So into 2 तो आने वाला है. comma. Same will apply here. I will take 5 inside. तो root के अंदर, since 5 is going inside, I'll get 5 into 5. और 3 तो already था, तो एक बार लिख देना. Now all I have to do is multiply these numbers. So 7 sevens are 49, 49 twos is 98 root के अंदर. There 5 5s are 25, 25 threes are 75. So now if I tell you to compare, देखो ये root 98 और ये root 75 है. If I ask anyone to compare 98 और 75 में से बड़ा कौन सा है? So I hope everyone knows this, that this is bigger, this number. Root 98 is bigger. So अगर out of these two, the left one is bigger, and even out of these two, the left one, this one will be bigger. So the correct answer will be, we'll have to write it again. 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. Okay? I hope everyone has understood this. And just to be sure, I'll pick one more person. Okay, before, okay, let me pick the person first. Okay, Jay from Ghatkopar. Hello, Jay. Hello, Jay Chavan.
Hello, sir.
You'll have to help me with the next sum, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. We are looking at question number, let me check, question number 5, correct?
Okay, sir.
So to start off with, let me give you a very simple sum. Root root 247 and root 274. If I want to compare the two surds, which is the greater surd?
Right one.
Right one. So I will write it as root 247 is less than root 270. समझा ये?
Yes.
Okay. Now, एक और एक simple sum देता हूँ. Then we'll come to the actual sum. 2 root 7 and root 28. अब इनको compare करना है. So what should I do?
Left one is bigger.
Left one is bigger. अच्छा, इतना सीधा मत बताओ मेरे को steps दिखाओ. मैंने आपको बोला ना सबको root के अंदर लेके जाने का.
Yes, sir.
So here what change should I make?
In root, we should write 2 into 2 into 7.
Very good. Because 2 goes inside, it repeats 2 times, so it will be 2 into 7. और यहाँ पे root 28 ही है.
Yes.
Multiply करो ये.
28.
28. तो ये भी root 28 है, ये भी root 28 है. तो कौन सा बड़ा है?
Equal. Both are equal.
Both are equal. But see, that is why I told you should do the step. Otherwise, in the beginning, you had given the wrong answer.
Okay, sir.
तो यहाँ पे equal to डालें. समझ गए यहाँ तक?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do a proper actual sum. And that is the fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Fifth का fourth one करते हैं. The question is 5 root 5 and 7 root 2. Okay. What to do here?
We have to write first 5 into 5 into 5 in first root.
Okay. तो पहले root में when this 5 goes inside, ये वाला 5 दो बार आएगा तो वही 5 into 5 है और already एक 5 था तो तीसरा 5 हो जाता है.
Yes.
और यहाँ पे when 7 goes inside,
7 into 7 into 2.
7 into 7 into 2. Okay. First multiply this and tell me what you'll get.
125.
Correct. Square root of 125. And what will happen here? Iska.
49 to the 94. No, 90. 98.
98. Correct. Now tell me, इन दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा है?
125
तो सबसे पहले दिखाओ root 125 is greater than root 95. But यहाँ पे रुक मत जाना. This is not the final answer. Final answer इनके साथ बताओ.
Yes.
What will I write?
5 root 5
Hmm.
is greater than 7 root 2.
7 root 2. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, let's move on. I'll do one more sum of this type. Hmm. Okay, let's use Anshika from Devi Dayal. Hello, Anshika. Anshika, huh. Yes, you can just speak up again. I want to see if I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Huh. I'll try and give you a tricky sum. Okay, we are doing fifth ka sixth sum. So in the fifth ka sixth part, one is 5 root 3 and the other is just 9. Okay.
Yes.
Acha, tell me what to do here. Hello,
Root,
Anshika.
root
Root
5 into 5 into 3.
5 into 5 into 3. Now the problem is यहाँ पे root ही नहीं है, सिर्फ 9 है.
Yes.
So do you know what to do?
No, sir.
Okay. Remember, अगर root ही नहीं है ना, मतलब root के अंदर कोई number नहीं है. So what you can do is inside root, when you take 9, 9 जब root के अंदर जाएगा कितनी बार आएगा?
Sir, 2 बार.
So can I just write 9 into 9? सिर्फ 9 into 9 आएगा.
Yes.
आपको समझा ये logic?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो अभी मुझे बताओ कि इसका multiplication क्या आएगा?
75.
Root 75.
Root
और
75.
इसका multiplication?
Root 81.
Root 81. अच्छा अब बताओ दोनों में से बड़ा कौन सा है? Root 75 Root 81? Hello, Anshika. Hello. Is there some signal issue? Yes, I think she's gone. Okay, I'll call someone else to do this sum. Let's take Niharika from Devi Dayal. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Niharika. Can you
Yes, sir.
complete the sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which
Uh,
side is bigger?
Sir, 5 root 3 is bigger, is smaller to 9.
नहीं, first we'll have to show with these two. इनमें से कौन सा बड़ा है?
Root 75 is smaller than root 81.
Okay, it's smaller than Root 81. So, and finally what to write?
Sir, 5 root 3 is smaller to root 9. Root 9, sorry, 9.
9. Acha, tell me, will you be able to do the remaining sums at home now?
Yes, sir.
Acha, search are you finding it easy or difficult?
Sir, it is easy.
Okay. Fine, Niharika. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll move on to the seventh sum now. अब multiplication और division बाकी है. ठीक है? So we'll discuss that. Okay, let me pick someone. Okay, Deep from Ghatkopar. Hello, Deep.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Acha, help me out with this multiplication now. Seventh question. Okay. Yes. So on seventh question, we are doing the first sum, that is 3 root 12 into root 18. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now remember something, when you're multiplying surds, no, दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. अच्छा मुझे बताओ ये 3 क्या ये surd है या नहीं है?
No, sir.
हाँ. तो हमेशा ये नॉन सर्ड यानी नंबर हमेशा नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा और सर्ड हमेशा सर्ड के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
तो जस्ट नाउ वी डिस्कस, अगर रूट के बाहर कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, मैं ऑर्डर का बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं नंबर का बात कर रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर रहेगा?
1,
1. सो 3 into 1 क्या रहेगा?
3.
3. ओके. और रूट के अंदर ये लोग दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होंगे 12 into 18.
Yes, sir.
So you don't have, the good news is you don't have to multiply 12 and 18. अब अंदर हमेशा 12 into 18 ऐसा लिख दो. यहाँ तक समझ गया आपको?
Yes, sir.
Why am I doing like this? Why am I not multiplying? Is because I want to make it as simple or third as possible. अगर मैं क्या करूँगा, दोनों को फैक्टराइज करूँगा और जितना बाहर निकाल सकता हूँ निकालूंगा. So let's start with 12.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So factorize this for me.
Sir, 2 6 are 12.
Okay. Then
2 3 are 6. And 3 1 are 3.
okay. What about 18?
2 9 are 18.
And then
3 3 are 9.
okay.
And 3 1 are 3.
So that means 3 बाहर अभी भी है, बट अंदर रूट के क्या आएगा?
2 into 2 into 3 and multiplied by 2 into 3 into 3.
Now check करो. Can you see any pairs here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is the first pair?
2 into 2.
Okay. This is one pair. Second pair.
3 into 3.
This is second pair. और कोई pair है?
No, sir.
तो बाहर ऑलरेडी 3 था, अब इंटू क्या क्या होगा?
2 into 3.
2 into 3. Perfect. रूट के अंदर क्या बचेगा?
3 into 2.
So tell me the answer. No?
6.
6. And multiply these.
18.
So what is the final answer?
18 root 6.
Is the multiplication also easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Deep.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. If you are finding this easy, then we'll take one more sum to multiply and then we'll get it done. Okay. Okay, Shruti.
Yes,
Shruti
sir.
from DNA. You'll answer the next sum.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next sum that I want to do is the 7th ka 4th one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 7th ka 4th sum. It is 5 root 8 into 2 root 8. Acha, tell me, what will multiply with what?
5 into 2.
So what is 5 into 2?
10.
10. और रूट के अंदर
8 into 8.
8 into 8. ठीक है यहाँ तक? Now what should we do next?
We should simplify it.
अच्छा, that means you are saying कि 8 को simplify करेंगे ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
तो 2
Yes, sir.
into 4 आएगा, 2 into 2 आएगा, 2 into 1 ऐसा ना?
Yes, sir.
But I'll tell you a better thing. मुझे बताओ, बिना simplify करके भी अंदर कुछ 2 बार आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
तो पैर बन रहा है ना? तो can I
Yes,
just
sir.
take this whole thing outside?
Yes, sir.
तो बाहर जाएगा तो बाहर क्या लिखूंगा?
10 into 8.
10 into 8. Arman Shah from Vikroli wants the remote control. Okay, we'll have to talk to Arman's parents. I'll give them a call later. Then we'll discuss your remote control. Okay. Yes, 10 into
8.
8. 1 second. Yes.
80. Hello, sir.
Just a second.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. So what is the answer?
80.
80. Perfect. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Have they done this chapter in school?
No, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, I think everyone hopefully has understood multiplication. Now next we'll go for division, which is also very similar. Okay. Okay, let me pick Duncan from JB Nagar. Hello, Duncan.
Hello.
You'll help me with the next sum now?
Yes.
Okay. Let's discuss the eighth sum now. Okay.
Okay.
Eighth question, the first one is this. Root 98 divided by root 2. Okay. Now here also it is same. We'll only divide two numbers when they are inside root. Hello.
Hello, sir.
So division, can we write it as upon?
Yes, sir.
What will come up in the numerator?
98.
Root 98.
Root 98.
And what will come in the denominator?
Root 2.
Root 2. Can I, since both are inside root, I can cancel them. So tell me, 2 ones are and 2 how much are 98?
4s are 8.
Okay. 4s are 8. That means 1 got carried forward and we have 18 here.
2 9s are 18.
9s are 18. So we have root 49, correct? Okay. Answer is square root of 49. But tell me, do you know the square root of 49?
No, sir.
You tell me all the squares from 1 till 10. Fast. Hello, Duncan. Hello. What has happened, Duncan? Okay. Let's hope Ananya can speak up now. Hello, Ananya.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Before you got thrown out, yeah?
Yeah, I guess
Okay.
some network issue was there.
No problem. Okay, tell me now. Square root of 49. What is the answer? 7. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what you do is you help me with the next sum.
Okay, sir.
Let's pick the second one. I'll erase this. Okay, eighth question, second sum. Square root of 125 divided by square root of 50. Okay?
Square root of 125 upon square root of 50.
Okay. So, karo cancel.
5 tens are 5 twos are 2 carried and 5s are.
Okay. Further,
5 twos are
5 twos are
5 5s are.
5 5s are. Can we cancel further?
No, sir.
So, whole root of 5 upon 2 is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ananya.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yes. Bye. Yes, everyone. Question number 1 to 8 is homework. Make sure you all are not only doing the sum that I didn't do, also repeat the sum that I did. So next time we'll start with rationalize. Okay.